WhatsApp as your AI assistant sounds very difficult, but this process is now very easy using Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, I will turn my WhatsApp into AI assistant absolutely for free without need of any coding and programming skills. Let me show you how this AI assistant is going to resolve your customers' queries as well. Let me show you how this AI assistant is going to resolve your customers' queries on WhatsApp as well. I will ask my first question towards this AI assistant on WhatsApp, that is, when will I receive my order? It's been 2 days I've placed the order. When will I receive my order? It's been 2 days since I've placed the order. So this is my query, my question I'm asking towards this AI assistant. So now let's see how this AI assistant is going to send a reply. No one is writing any of the messages manually. The AI assistant setup that I've created is going to automatically send all the messages. You can see within few seconds you will receive a reply just like this. Thanks, I can help. A couple quick things to know. Expected delivery depends on the shipping option you have chosen. Express, you can see 2 to 3 days. Standard, 5 to 7 days. Free shipping orders on 999 and above. You can see I have received the details. You can see it says how can I check. You can see other things are forwarded from this AI assistant to my query. In the similar manner, I will ask a different question towards this AI assistant, that is, if I'm looking to buy a dress, what options do you have? Okay, so this is my next question I'm asking towards this AI assistant. It's a different type of question. Now let's see whether this AI assistant can give me recommendations also or not. So I will wait for the reply right now. You can see I've received this message. Great, we have few dress options across women's and kid categories. I've received both of the options. Over here, this is the women dress category. So I have received the recommendations over here as well. So this is how this AI assistant is going to solve the inquiries that you will receive from your customers, clients or leads on WhatsApp itself. You can also create this AI assistant absolutely for free without need of any coding and programming skills right away using Pabbly Chatflow. So in order to access Pabbly Chatflow, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow and you will come to the landing page just like this. Now if you're logging in for the first time, you want to create this AI assistant absolutely for free. Sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free credits. Using the 100 credits that you will receive in your account, you can create the AI assistant right away without paying anything. I'm already a user, so I will sign in from here directly and I will come to the All Pabbly Apps section. Now as I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on this Access Now button and I will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you want to learn how you can set up your own Pabbly Chatflow account by adding your number, adding your details, you can check out all the links in the description section where we have taught you how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to learn about the features as well, all the video links are added already. Okay, so now to create an AI assistant, you will receive 100 free tasks. With the help of that, you can create this AI assistant for free. Okay, you have to go towards this AI assistant options section. Now after coming to this section, go towards this add AI assistant button. Now we have to first name our assistant, for which I'm going to write over here as AI assistant for free and add this AI assistant from here. As soon as you will do that, automatically the main setup of AI assistant will be created. Now let's select some steps and the entire connection will be done. Now over here for the instruction type, first I will select it as AI agent because I want to create an AI agent for my business. After selecting the type, the instructions for that specific type will appear just like this. If you want to modify, add in or eliminate any of the points in this section, you can definitely do that according to your requirement. Next, you have to select the temperature, which is a range between 0 to 1. 0 being the focused replies from the assistant towards your customers and 1 being creative replies. You can select the temperature according to your requirement. AI to use, currently we have the option of Open AI only, so I will select this option, and for the model I will use GPT-5 mini. Okay, next it is asking for the API key. Now to have the API key, what we have to do is you have to go towards this hyperlink directly and you will come to the Open AI API key section. Now to create the key, go towards this option and name the key according to your requirement. Name the project, select permissions as all and create the key from here. In front of you the key will be created. Copy this key, paste it down in the field and click on this connect button and you will see automatically the key is added inside your Pabbly Chatflow's AI assistant. Now remember one thing, you should have an OpenAI paid account to create this amazing AI assistant. Without that you cannot create create the assistant. Okay, now it is asking for the assistant settings. If you want header footer messages with all the messages that is forwarded with the help of AI assistant, if you want to add in the details, you can toggle the button on. If you want the stop keywords option to be given to your customers, you can enter the stop keywords by toggling this button on, and if you want a retry attempt, you can toggle this button on as well. Last is fallback message. This message will be only forwarded in the case when this API key is not responding correctly, then this message will be forwarded. If you want, you can edit this as well. The first section is completed, that is AI instructions. Let's move on to our next very important step of this AI assistant creation, that is knowledge source. Knowledge source is a document where you have added the details of your business. Using this document, AI will be trained according to your business and give the replies to the queries that it receives. So in this document, you have to add in the details, step-by-step details of, it can be a long document as well, where you describe what your business is about. Mine is an online fashion retail store, Style Haven. So I've entered the details accordingly. My policies, prices, products, everything is added in this document. You can create a lengthy document more bigger than this one. It's just a dummy that how you can create your knowledge base as well. Okay, if you want a video related to how you can create a perfect knowledge base for your business as well, do comment down below and I will create this video next for you. Okay, now right here I have created this document, explained everything about it and created a PDF, and I'm going to upload that PDF right over here. Click on this add new file option, click on this button right over here, insert the PDF. My PDF is right here. I will open it and upload the file and select that file from this knowledge base section. Okay, as now the file will be uploaded, you will see it in the knowledge sources section within few seconds. If you see the vector ID like this, that means the knowledge base is added in your AI assistant. Now remember, two types of file is accepted currently, that is TXT and PDF. If the PDF has no images, it can be unlimited pages, but if there are images, limit is of 10 pages. Okay, next move on to our AI assistant interface and styling. Now these two sections is required for those who is adding this AI assistant on websites. Websites usually have support bots, right? So you can also create this AI assistant as a support bot for your website as well. It is going to look just like this. Now if you want to edit the details, if you are doing that, simply first add the brand name. What's my business name? It's Style Haven. So what I'm going to do is I will add my brand name right over here. Okay, next if you want to edit this subheading, message, this powered by Pabbly or this hyperlink, add in the details on this section. Last is user's first message. Usually AI assistant is directly contacted from the website, but what if someone, a customer, is connecting towards this AI assistant directly on WhatsApp number? What is the usual first text that you receive? That you have to enter in this field. Okay, after that, last is styling. Now if you have a business, you have your own brand colors, right? If you want to change the colors, backgrounds, pictures, themes of this AI assistant over here in the interface, you can do that from this styling section. Now the creation of this free assistant is done. Now simply toggle the button on and save the assistant from here. To add it on a website, go to embedded section, copy the script, paste it on your website code, and the assistant will be added there as well. Now as this assistant is created successfully, let me ask my last question towards this assistant and then let's see what kind of a reply it gives back to me. My last question is, I want to know about return and exchange policies in your business. I will send this last question I have towards this AI assistant. Now let's see how it is going to frame and analyze my question and send the answer back to me. It will take few seconds, so I'm going to wait right here. You can see I've received a reply. Here are our return and exchange policies in details, eligibility, how to return, exchange, refunds, everything has been mentioned in this message successfully. As I've received the reply, that means this AI assistant is working. As now this AI assistant is working, that means the creation is done successfully. With the help of 100 free credits that you will receive while signing up inside Pabbly Chatflow, you can create this AI assistant as well. Now if you want this AI assistant should be automatically enabled to the chats who sends the message from their end towards this AI assistant. In that case, go to settings and inbox settings section. Then you have to scroll down till the last part of inbox settings and enable the AI auto reply setting. Then select the contact list to whom you want to automatically enable this AI assistant to. Select the AI assistant from the drop down and save the rule from here. To all the contacts, the AI assistant will be automatically enabled in their chats if they sends the message. Okay. With that, if you want towards a specific contact, you want to assign this AI assistant that you have created, for that go towards this inbox section. You will come to the chat, select this choose AI assistant option, toggle this button on and select the AI assistant from drop down. to this chat, this assistant will be automatically enabled. So this is how to a specific contact also you can assign the assistant to. Okay. So as now this assistant has been created, you can also create this assistant for your WhatsApp right away using Pabbly Chatflow for free. Okay. If you have any questions or doubts related to this setup, do comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. If you're planning to purchase the yearly and lifetime plan of Pabbly Chatflow, do use the code that you can see on the left side of my screen. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.